My identity is a lover of Jesus.
My identity is I love Christ.
My identity is I'm free with Jesus.
My identity is I am free in Christ.
My identity is I'm part of God's family.
My identity is I'm free.
My identity is a loved daughter of Christ.
My identity is that I'm part of God's family and that He loves me and He will always be there for me.
My identity is that I'm a free child of God.
My identity is being a great encourager.
My identity is that I am free in Christ.
My identity is a child of God.
My identity is that I'm loved by God.
My identity is that Jesus is my home. My identity is that I found a family. My identity is that I am a daughter of the living God.
My identity is a child of God.
My identity is in Christ and His freedom.
My identity is I am free and loved in Christ. My identity is a daughter in Christ.